Your idea is your prompt. Yes, you heard me right. Your idea is your prompt. Okay, stop asking people, please, I need your prompt, please drop your prompt. Guys, your idea is your prompt. That thing running on your head is your prompt. I have seen a lot of people in the comment section when they see a very beautiful flyer of a product or a beautiful flyer of someone birthday, they keep asking the person, please, can I have your prompt? Please, can I have your prompt? Guys, most of the people you're asking for their prompt, they come up with that idea. And AI has made everything easy for us, okay? No matter how little your idea is, drop it to AI. It's going to help you to expand it. That is the truth, okay? If any image you are just visualizing on your head, just drop it. It will help you to expand it and give you what you want. Even if you give you the prompts, anything you don't like, ask AI to remove it and put, okay? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn that small idea into a prompt, okay? How you can drop it to AI to expand it for you and you get a prompt. Anything you are visualizing, you are going to get it, okay? All you need to do is to just pen it down, write it down to AI to help you expand it, okay? Even if you are not good in spelling, no matter how you spell it, AI is going to understand it. In fact, it's going to give you an option and ask if this is what you mean. Read it and say, yes, this is what I mean. It's going to help you to get the prompts, okay? So in this video, you're going to learn how to use your idea, that idea that is running on your head, but you don't know how to come up with it. Drop it to AI. Is going to help you. So you're going to learn how to do that in this video, okay? Don't go anywhere. Follow me to the end of this video so that you're going to learn. And if this is your first time of watching me, I welcome you to my channel. Please like this video, share it for others to learn, and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop a beautiful video like this, okay? Now follow me, let's go. Okay, I'm going to use my chat GPT for this tutorial, okay? My chat GPT and my Google Docs, okay? You open chat GPT, okay? Now remember, what you want to do is to get a prompt for anything you want, okay? Now let's assume I run a fashion store, okay, or any other business, but I'm going to use a fashion store as an example. I run a fashion store. I also have a store on Facebook and other social media platforms, but I want to run an advertisement on Facebook, okay, as a fashion vendor. Now you want to come up with I want to come up with a good and eye-catching flyer, a professional flyer that will attract people, to take a look at what I'm saying. Now the advertisement I want to run is all about doing a promo 50% discount. Now you just look, I don't know what to do. Maybe you have met graphic designers, they are calling amount of money for you just to generate to create a flyer for you. Guys, you can do it by yourself, okay? All you need to do is to come to chat GPT here. You come here and say, hi, I run a I run a fashion store. I run a fashion store on Facebook for women luxury wears only, okay? You give a space and say, please, I want to run a 50% discount promo for 5 days starting from 1st of May till 5th of May. You get the promo will be only on luxury gowns and top, okay? Now you come down and say, please generate a prompt that I can use to create a beautiful and professional flyer for the Facebook ad, okay? Here is my WhatsApp contact. You bracket it and put your number, let's say here, and okay, you bracket it again, okay? Now what again? Okay, we have said Hi, I run a fashion store on Facebook for women luxury wears only. Please, I want to run a 50% discount promo for 5 days, starting from 1st of May to 5th of May. The promo will be only on luxury gowns and top, okay? Please generate a prompt that I can use to create a beautiful and professional flyer for the Facebook ad. Here is my contact, okay? Now, you send, okay? If there's any other thing you remember, you can put it later, but yeah, let's go with this, okay? You send and wait for it to generate the prompt, okay? It's generating the prompt. Now guys, this is it. Absolutely, since this is a Facebook ad, I will recommend a flyer that looks luxurious, okay? Now look at it. Great, a high luxury fashion promotional flyer for a woman's luxury fashion, okay? Main headline: 50% off luxury fashion promo. Okay guys, just read through it. Promo details: enjoy 50% selected luxury gown and luxury top. Okay, promo duration, you see it there. Call to action: shop now and save later. You just added this one for me. Okay, WhatsApp the number. Okay, now visual direction: great and elegant, now the next thing you're going to do after you generated your prompts, okay, remember, if you have your luxury clothes, the kind of gowns, maybe you want to put 2 or 3 gowns and top as a fashion window that will appear in the flyer, okay, you come down here in this plus sign, you tap on it. When you tap on it, you tap on photo, yeah, and you take you to your what gallery, okay, it will take you to a gallery to select a picture. Let's say you want to select some pictures, okay, let me just select, okay, I'm just selecting this picture because I'm not a fashion vendor, okay. I don't have any picture of luxury gowns and top, okay. But if you are a fashion vendor or anything you are doing, maybe you say other things that is not fashion, you have the picture products on your in your gallery, okay. When you come to your gallery, you pick as much as you want it to appear in the flyer, okay. If you are doing promo on soap or any other thing, people that say food stuff and all that, just select it, okay. I'm just using this picture for the purpose of this video, okay, as an example. You click on add, okay. Just come down here and type, please use this photo to generate the the flyer for me, okay. Now you send it, watch it generate your flyer. Your idea is your prompt. Yes, that idea that is running on your head is your prompt. Pen it down on ChatGPT. It's going to visualize it, it's going to expand it for you. Guys, look at this beautiful flyer, okay. Look at this, exactly how I described it. That's what it gives me. Now it has used its hand to generate a beautiful gown and top, a luxury gown and top for me. Guys, can you see it? Can you see it? This is the things most of us ask people in the comment section. Please drop the prompt for this, okay. Guys, that thing in your head is your prompts, okay. That idea that is running on your head, that you are just visualizing it, it's your prompt. Pen it down, no matter how small it is. ChatGPT is going to help you to expand it. Just take a look at this beautiful flyer, okay. All you have to do is do what? Save it, okay. You can also apply this strategy if you want to generate a beautiful birthday picture of yourself. Maybe you want to generate a picture where you're enjoying yourself beside the beach, where you're enjoying yourself in a hotel, in a restaurant. Guys, use your idea, tell ChatGPT what you want. It's going to expand it and give you a beautiful flyer, okay, or a beautiful birthday picture, okay. Now this is it, okay. I'm going to tell you, maybe if you don't know how to pen down your idea, I'm also going to show you something, okay. Let's go. The next part is, if you want to, maybe you saw someone flyer somewhere, or you want to get an image of maybe a short video you saw somewhere, you want to get a prompt to regenerate that video, or you saw someone beautiful birthday picture. Even if that person created the flyer by themselves from scratch using Pixlr, guys, you can ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt, okay. Now, no need of asking people to give you their prompt. If you cannot pin your idea down, no problem, okay. All you have to do is go to your save that picture or that small short video you saw somewhere, okay. Save it to your gallery, okay. Let's assume you save it to your gallery and you want to get the prompt of that thing to recreate it. All you have to do is come to ChatGPT here, you click on this plus sign, go to your gallery to bring that flyer or video you save, okay. Now let's take one flyer for an example. I have this flyer I created for my class. Okay, now let's use this one. Okay, I bring this flyer in. This flyer is all about Faceless YouTube channel. Okay, this was a course I created on Faceless YouTube channel. I also teach how to create TikTok UK monetizable TikTok accounts, how to create AI human anatomy and faceless channel. Okay, now all you have to do is paint what you want down. Okay, I'm going to get a prompt that I use at times to recreate another person flyer or video. Okay, if you want that prompt, just type it in the comment section that you need the prompt. I'll send it to you. Okay, I'm going to Google Docs to get that prompt. Now I go to my Google Docs. Okay, I open it. When I open it, I tap on my regression prompt. Okay, when I tap on it, I tap on this pencil icon as if I want to edit something. Okay, I now copy this prompt. Okay, I copy this prompt. After I copy it, I go back to my ChatGPT. Okay, I minimize and go back to my ChatGPT. Okay, this is my ChatGPT. Remember, I'm looking forward in generating the prompt they use for this flyer. Okay, I just assume I pick it somewhere on the streets of the internet. I want to get a prompt to recreate it for myself. Okay, now look at this. I say, look at the flyer I attached very well. I want you to give me a simple but detailed prompt that I can use to create a flyer that looks like this one. This is what I want, because you need to be specific of what you want. If not, it's going to give you what you don't want. Okay, the size and shape of the flyer, the background and color, so many things you want. The picture of person on the flyer, or you can remove it and include your own picture. Okay, the clothes, pose, look, depends on what you want. When you look at the flyer, anything you don't want in that flyer, don't include it. Okay, the shape, line, other things used to make the flyer look good. Okay, the full layout of the flyer, the overall look and feel of the flyer. You now come down here and say, after looking at everything, give me one full prompt that I can copy and paste into an AI image tool. This paragraph is very important, guys. Look at this. Give me one full prompt, because if you don't say it like this, it's going to give it to you clip by clip, the way you just stated it up there. It's going to give you each of the paragraphs. It's going to give you the prompt. So it's better to be specific and say, give me one full prompt that I can copy and paste into an image, AI image tools. Okay, make the prompt clear and detailed enough for the AI to recreate a flyer that look very close to the one I just show you, which is the one I just upload. If there is a text on the flyer, write the exact text. Okay, if only you want the exact text in that flyer. Okay, if you don't want the exact text, either you state it here, or after you generate the prompt, you can edit it and put anything you want to put and remove the ones you want to remove. Okay, now this is it. Do not add words that are not in the flyer. Depends on what you want, like I said. After that, guys, you send. Okay, look at it. Absolutely, I look closely at the flyer you attach. Okay, it is Portrait 2.3 promotional training flyer. Okay, look at it, guys. Okay, here is one complete prompt you can copy and paste into an AI image generator. Look at it. Get a professional premium high converting promotional flyer for a faceless YouTube channel. This is exactly what is in that flyer. Okay, so stop asking people in the comment section, give me your prompt, give me your prompt. Your ideas is your prompt. Okay, how you have been visualizing it, how you want it to be in your mind, pen it down. ChatGPT is going to help you to expand it and bring it to reality. Okay, now if you have watched this video to this end, congratulations. Okay, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you have not. Like this video, share it for others to learn. Okay, thank you for watching.